Here's the randomization for break 150 through 200 giveaway. So first place gets a firebox, second gets $52 break credit, third gets 26 credit, fourth gets 26 credit, and so is fifth. We have, oh, hit the wrong button here. Alright, we got Eric on top. If I recall, there's 920 entries here because it was everyone that joined the break got a spot. Plus, if you got the Browns, Jags, Bengals, or Jets in a break, you got an extra spot. And we got Trevor on bottom. We're gonna do 5 or greater on the dice roll. Actually, let me go back here and type live. $8.58, $8.58. Alright, Eric on top, Trevor on bottom. 5 or greater on the dice roll. We have 2, that's no good. We have 7. Alright, go on to the final round. Go back here, type final round, good luck. $8.58, $8.58. Alright, final round, top 5 win. Jordan Barris gets the firebox. Dylan gets 52 credit. Sam gets 26 credit. Josh gets 26 credit, and so does Patrick Remay. Alright, congrats to the winners. Thanks to everybody for joining our breaks, and we are doing another one, so keep joining, and good luck, everyone.